We'll guide you through how to effectively use the Asana dashboard. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll notice it's designed to give you a quick overview of your projects and tasks. On the left side, you'll see the sidebar which includes your home, My Tasks, Inbox, and Projects. Click on My Tasks to view tasks assigned to you. Here, you can organize tasks using sections like Today, Upcoming, and Later, which helps prioritize your workload. To create a new task, click the plus sign next to My Tasks at the top of the list. Then enter the task name and details. You can assign due dates, add attachments, and leave comments for collaboration. Moving back to the dashboard, if you go to the Projects section in the sidebar, you'll see a list of all your projects. Clicking on a project will open it in the main window where you can view tasks in either a list view or board view depending on your preference. For a detailed project overview, use the Progress tab within the project. This tab shows you the project's status, milestones, and any updates. You can also add project status updates here. For team collaboration, the Inbox section is vital. It keeps you informed of any changes, comments, or updates across your projects. This helps ensure you don't miss important notifications. Remember, you can customize your dashboard by pinning your most used projects for quick access. This way, you can tailor the dashboard to fit your workflow. The Asana dashboard is a powerful tool to keep your projects organized and on track. So take some time to explore its features and see what works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.